Here is another lift at
Doors
Gatwick Airport.
opening. Lift going down.
And this one goes to platforms 3 and 4.
Doors closing.
We're going to go down to platforms 3 and 4. Precision Lift Services Limited. Capacity 26 persons, 2,000 kgs. Nice lights, although one of them ain't working.
Platform level.
Here we are at platforms 3 and 4.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
We're going to go up to exit and airport terminals. Cab view of the lift again.
Airport level.
Here we are at exit and airport terminals.
Doors opening.
We're going to send it down to platforms 3 and 4.